Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create and run a bash script on Linux. So in order to do it, first of all we need to open our terminal, of course, so show apps and terminal. And how to create a bash script. First of all we need to create file. We can do it with touch or with nano. I showed it in the how to manage files videos, but so you can go back and watch it if you don't know how to do it. Right now I will create this with touch command, so touch. I will name it test, and we have to end it with sh, because that's how the scripts looks like in Linux. So I will press enter, and now I can go to edit it and write our script. And how to do it? First of all, every bin bash script starts the same, so we have to start it like this: hashtag / bin / bash. And now we can move on to writing our script. I will write maybe a simple countdown, because it will be nice to show how it looks like. So we can do it like this, and I will start with a start countdown, and now we can move on to our loop. So I will write it like this: for e in the range we will count down, for example, from 5 to 1, so we will move it like this, or maybe like this, it doesn't matter from what side, and we will do. And now we will show our variable, so like this, and we can do it like this, for example. And now we have to add a sleep here, because without it the loop would execute in one moment, but we want to execute it every iteration, every 1 second, so we can leave it like that. And we will type done. So I think it should work. If it doesn't work, we will correct it, but I think it's good. And right now we have to save that, so CTRL+O, enter, and CTRL+X. And as you can see, if you will display it, we have our script. How to run it? We will run it like this: / and the name of our script, but right now it doesn't work because permission is denied. We have to add permission to execute for this file, so we will do it like this. I showed how to add permissions in the permissions video, so you can go back and check it. So like this we will add our permissions, and now we can run it. I hope it's okay. As you can see, start countdown from 5 to 1, and stop countdown. So everything's working. That's basically how you can do a bash script in Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.